Uniqa is a Dutch-Moldovan company driven by innovation, technology and efficiency. We produce customized prefabricated walls for both private and commercial housing sector. We currently employ 16 people and we continue to grow. By the end of this year we hope to have around 25 people and continue developing further. We really hope to and strive to create a healthy working environment for our team, both to grow professionally but also as people.
I'm in charge of optimizing all the processes in this beautiful factory, as well as developing different housing concepts for the different markets that we serve. I believe that Uniqa is a beautiful company that brings a new technology in a place where this is not yet common, and to build beautiful houses in Moldova.
We strive also, and we are excited to be part of this contribution to the environment by producing very low carbon footprint products. That we want to become a player, a leading company in Moldova and abroad when it comes to high energy efficiency building sector.